Us in the localities where you are might have given an opinion on them. You know, in Uganda we have that situation. People come and ask you a question because it had already been given an answer. So once you give a different one, it goes back and says yours is not correct. My presentation is supposed to stimulate the usage and application of maqasid sharia, especially in issues of ijtihad. But there are those which are inviting clear answers. What is the position of Islam on masturbation? Okay, if we apply the maqasid sharia in masturbation, what is the benefit out of it? I think the benefit is self-enjoyment. The person who is doing it, he enjoys that act. But what about the harm? What about the problems associated with it? The medical doctors will tell you that there are many harms or harmful things within it. Weakening your sexual power, and maybe even making this person lose interest in marriage, among others. Yet you know that marriage is the main objective of Sharia in procreation. So at the end of the day, if we use the yardstick of maqasid Sharia, masturbation is not acceptable. Especially that you have an alternative which is allowed by Islam. Islam gave us an alternative. If you want to discharge your sexual desire, you marry. If you cannot marry, فَعَلَيْكُمْ بِالصَّوْمِ, then you should observe fasting. So, in this case, at the end of the day we shall recite وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِفُرُوجِهِمْ حَافِظُونَ, those who safeguard their private parts except in two ways. One, with their wives or with their husbands. Number two, with the mamalakat aymanuhum, the slave girls or the slave women, which is no more now. So the question is, whatever tool that you use for masturbation, is it your wife? Is it your husband? So at the end of the day, simply, it is not allowed. It is haram. Two,